Hi friends, I am Dr. Yash Saxena. Well, just to brief you about COVID-19 second wave in India, you can consider yourself lucky and pray to God truly that you are not standing in a queue for medical supply or oxygen supply, because I was standing in a queue for hours together for one of my relative. Believe me, every fifth or sixth or seventh phone call that I am receiving or a message that I am receiving is either of a critical patient needing an oxygen supply, or he might be critically ill or may have succumbed to COVID-19. She or he might be my friend, my friend's friend, or my distant relative, but the condition is not hidden from anyone, and I do not want to tell anything more about it. I just want to brief you about some protocols that we need to follow during COVID-19. Do not ignore any symptoms if you face. It may be just a fever, cough, cold, or you might have some sinus aches or headaches, or you might just feel general weakness or malaise kind of thing. Do not ignore these symptoms. Just get yourself tested, because you are 90 to 95% COVID positive until and unless proven otherwise. Start home isolation or quarantine until you are tested positive. There is a small difference between isolation and quarantining. Until and unless you are tested positive, you are quarantined. Once you get your test positive report, you are categorized under isolation. So whatever it is, just quarantine or isolate yourself at home. Do not start self-medicating yourself. Get in touch with your family doctor, or get in touch with any teleconsultation doctor. As of now, online consultations are also available. Do not start self-medication. Your doctor will assess your condition and give you a green signal to either home isolate yourself or move towards a hospital. Now, when you are in home isolation, you need to monitor your oxygen levels. The finger that you insert in the oximeter has to be clean. Just make sure it is clean and you do not have any nail polish or nail paints over your fingernail. Just wait for around 30 to 45 seconds before you jump to any conclusion. In some oximeter or in some devices, it may take up to 90 seconds to give you an accurate reading. Normal oxygen level is considered to be 97, 98, 99. But if you start seeing a downward trend towards 96, 95, 94 or 93, you come to a prone position. That will help you increase your oxygen levels back towards normal limits. But in case if it is not showing an upward trend once again, you need to start arranging a bed in the hospital. Do not panic at this time until and unless your oxygen levels go below 90. Now coming back to home care. In home care, you just need to dedicate one person to take care of you. That one person will give you food. He will keep it outside your room on a dedicated stool, and in any case if he has to come inside, just ask him to wear 2 masks. One mask can be reusable, whereas the other mask has to be disposable one. Whenever he leaves your room, he has to dispose of that mask, and he has to wash the other mask which he has worn, that is a reusable one. During your home isolation, you need good food, water and rest. Your diet should be near your normal appetite. You can take at least 2 to 3 liters of water and take enough rest. Now, taking rest doesn't mean you have to be bedridden all the time. You can get up every 2 to 3 hours. Just move your shoulders, do some hand exercises, stretching, move your abdomen, move your feet, come into a cycling position, do some cycling, do some breathing exercises like Anulom Vilom and some other pranayams. Keep yourself healthy, keep yourself positive. Do not let your morale go down. Lastly, coming to vaccination. Well, the vaccination drive has begun for everyone above 18. There is going to be enormous rush, because even those who were eligible before this drive were waiting just to see the results of others, how they are reacting, how is the response of the vaccine to them. They are also now eagerly waiting for the doses for their vaccination. So get yourself vaccinated. Do not wait for the government free doses, because the free doses has its own politics involved in it. We don't need to get into it. If you get to arrange your dose from anywhere, anyhow, just get yourself vaccinated. I would just say this much. We all can win over COVID-19 just by taking caution and keeping precaution. Getting ourselves vaccinated is the only mantra to success over COVID 19. We are all in this together and we all will get out of this together. Jai Hind. Thank you.